Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If your command prompt opens and then close immediately on Windows 11, then don't panic. In this quick video, I will show you how to fix it step by step so you can run commands again. So first step, that make sure you are opening in the right way. You just need to click start, then type cmd, then click like this way. You just need to go over here and then search here cmd. Once you're done, then you will get eventually the command prompt options. You just need to click and then always run as administrator. Once you click over here, then it will open properly. So this is the cmd we already opened. Sometimes running it with admin right stop it from closing instantly. The next step is, if that does not work, use Windows Terminal. Like right click the start button and then select Windows Terminal. Like this way, you just need to click this one and then find it out Windows Terminal. Here you can see this is the terminal. You just need to open that one. It will open in here. So Windows Terminal can run command prompt tabs. Just click the down arrow at the top and select command prompt. Like this way, you just need to click this one and here you can open the command prompt also. If this works, the issue might just be with your shortcut. Then sometimes a character shortcuts make CMD close immediately. You just need to go to the setting, like open your file explorer and then go to the local disk where you install your Windows. Then you just need to go to the system 12. So just enter to the Windows and then find out system 12. So here you can eventually find it out in that place. Yes, this is the system 32, sorry. So now if not, like once you've done, then you just need to make sure you include this one. If not, add it and click OK. So right click in and select run as administrator. If it is still open, delete any old shortcuts you are using and create a new one from here. Now let's talk about run system file checker. So if it is still not fixed, run as system scan, like open Windows Terminal admin and type this one like sfc then run scan now and hit enter. This will check your crafted system file and rewrite them, and that's it. Your command prompt should now open normally. If this helped, hit like, subscribe and don't forget to comment our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.